I didn't find nothing, dude. I'm messing with people. I was talking in World. I've been doing this all day. Well, not really, but close. Nope, no one was there.
Wonder if Sky woke up yet. He was fucking sauced last night.
Ooh, I hear gunfire. Dabba-dee, dabba-dabba, dabba-dee, dabba-da. Still hear that SKS, dude. He's still here. I just heard him reload.
That was a glitch reload.
Was it?
Assassin,
I heard it too.
Yeah.
are you on Finna?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm at northeast.
Are you gonna go to northwest?
No.
I might. I don't know.
Aww.
Or are you gonna go to Belota?
This poor guy here died.
Oh, the door's open. Somebody got that I left in there.
What door opened?
I stashed a bunch of stuff in a shitter because I was bleeding to death and I had broken legs, so I put all my gear inside of one of those outhouses. Somebody got it. Door was open.
Where are you?
Hey, I'm friendly, man.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm friendly too, man.
Cool. What you doing? Are you following me?
I'm actually him.
Oh, here's my body. Naked.
Cool. Did you just spawn? Hey, here's a yellow hard hat. You want a yellow hard hat? There's one right there.
Oh yeah, yellow hard hat.
Dude, you're lagging, bro.
Yeah. Yep. That's
I hope it's lag. I hope it's not as... Can I check your pulse to see who you are?
Yeah.
Okay. Pulse check. Checking pulse. You are OG Patch. Is there a lot of you OG guys on the server? I think there is, isn't there?
Nope.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I heard somebody. Hello? Hello? I heard you. You can see... Oh, hey, how you doing?
Not bad. Can I have one of your t-shirts?
Yeah, here, I'll drop it on the ground for you.
Thanks, my man. Yo, I'll show you guys where a body is where you can get loot.
Awesome.
Yep. All right, I can bandage you if you want.
Hey, go inside.
Oh,
What
you're
are you
dead.
doing? What are you doing? No.
Asshole.
Don't trust nobody.
What did you do?
Oh, why are you hurting him?
Don't trust nobody.
What did he do?
I took all this shit.
What did he have?
Hang on.
Did he have anything good?
Yeah, he did.